Hello, in this video I want to show you all available gestures and motions for lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. To do this, we'll need to open settings and find advanced features. Now go for motions and gestures, and here we can see them all. Let's check which of them work on a lock screen. So we have lift to wake, and it should work like this. So if we lock our phone, place it on a surface, then pick it up, it should wake up. So this feature works fine on your lock screen. Next one is double tap to turn on screen and double tap to turn off screen. This should also work fine on the lock screen, so we can lock our device, double tap to wake up and double tap to lock. Next is keep screen on while viewing. So if you enable it and keep looking on your screen, I guess that's the camera that detects your face, it will never lock. This feature is not working on the lock screen as it's kind of pointless there. Next one, alert when the phone is picked up. So if you lock your phone and place it on a surface, or if you receive any calls or messages and you will miss it, then next time you pick up your phone, it will vibrate to inform you that you received a call or a message. You can also mute your phone with a gesture. So if you place it upside down like this, it will mute all incoming calls. There's also option that if it's placed screen up, you can cover it with your hand to mute incoming call. Last is a palm swipe capture, but this feature won't work on your lock screen as that's a screenshot by performing such an action. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.